OOP-based programming language. What is C++? C++ is an object-oriented computer language created by notable computer scientist Bjorn Statros as part of the evolution of the C family of languages. Some call C++ C with classes because it introduced object-oriented programming principle, including the use of defined classes to the C programming language framework. C++ is pronounced C++. So, ang C++ is a statically typed free-form compile multi-paradigm intermediate level general purpose middle level programming language. So, marami ngayon ang nagpapatakbo ng mga drivers ng system, browser, at laro ng gumagamit ng C++ bilang kanilang pangunahin. About C++ programming. 1. Multi-paradigm language. C++ supports at least 7 different styles of programming. Developers can choose any of these styles. So, ang multi-paradigm programming language is one that is equal, well-suited in more than our programming paradigm. A programming paradigm is a style of program based on a particular model of computation. For example, procedural programming is based on organizing code through procedure or function. 2. General purpose language. You can use C++ to develop game, desktop apps, operating system, and so on. Speed like C programming, the performance of optimized C++ code is exceptional. A general purpose language is a programming language that is capable of creating all types of program. For example, C is a good example of general purpose language. A language that is not general purpose language is called a DSL domain specific language. For example, HTML, Logo, MATLAB are example of domain specific language. 3. Object-oriented. C++ allow you to divide complex problem into smaller set by using object. C++ allow you to divide complex program into a smaller set by using object. For example, C++ classes and object, because classes and object are the two main aspects of the object-oriented programming. For example, class fruit and the object is apple, banana, mango. Another example, class car, object Volvo, Audi, Toyota. This is my C++ example. Backslash, your first C++ program sharp include bracket, IOStream bracket, integers, main open parenthesis, close parenthesis bracket, std code bracket, hello world, return 0. So, ang backslash, your first C++ program, any line starting with backslash is a comment. The sharp include is a processor directive used to include file in our program. Bracket, IOStream bracket. Integers, main open and close parenthesis function. The curly braces indicate the start and the end of the function. std code prints contents inside the quotation marks brackets followed by the format string. In our example, hello world is the format string. Return 0. The return 0 statement is the exit status of the program. The program ends with this statement. What is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language that is used in a distributed environment on the internet. It is a high-level language that is easy to read and understand. Java is popularly used in a console, GUI, web, and mobile application, game development, and also to make embedded system. Importance of Java. Java is mature keeps evolving. Java is one of the natural world unstoppable programming language, but Oracle Corporation often updates the programming language without help of vibrant society. Each latest edition of Java comes with several new features and improved performance. For example, the latest version of Java supports both practical and concurrent programming. 2. Platform independent. Nowadays, programmers have to write down application by target. Many procedural and platforms disallow programmers to write down the application code once a deploy the appliance code address many platforms without an extra effort. The programmers can compile the Java code into bytecode and use that bytecode address to many platforms without collect the system again. Java is a simplified development on real-time software. The popularity rate of real-time software has been growing. It is important for sending information or outcome within the less period. And present real-time software applications are being used in mobile device, automobiles, medical device, and factories. Java is to facilitate embedded computing. Java planned for embedded programming, but many developers choose C and Python over Java, which increase embedded application for the system which contains memory. They now have to decide to take benefits of Java. I stage the standard runtime atmosphere for build a variety of embedded application. This is application of Java. First, desktop GUI. All desktop application can easily be developed in Java. Java also provides GUI development capability. Truth values mainly abstract windowing, toolkit, AWR Swing, and Java FX application for mobile. Now, you must be wondering why only Java. The reason is that it can be run off Java virtual machine, Jump, whereas Android uses DUK Dalvin virtual machine to execute class file. Web application. Java is also used to develop web application. It provides a fast support for web application through serverless or JSP. Enterprises application. Java is the first choice of many software developers for writing application in Java Enterprises Edition. Java EE is a very popular platform that provides API and runtime environment for scripting, scientific application. Software developers see Java is the weapon of choice when it comes to coding, scientific calculation, and the mathematical operation. These programs are designed to be highly secure and lightning fast. Big data technologies. Java is the reason why the leading big data technologies like Hadoop have become a reality and also the most powerful programming language like Scala are existing. It is a crystal clear that Java is the backbone when it comes to developing big data using Java. Business application. Java EE platform is designed to help developers create large-scale scalable, reliable, and secure network application. These applications are designed to solve the problem encountered by large enterprises. This is my example of Java code.